This video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install printer driver. Go to browser. In address box type www.google.com. Type Epson L805 driver. Click on this link. Click on driver. Click download. Click accept. Select location to save download file. I will select desktop location to save file. Then close the browser. Double-click on file that you just downloaded. Click OK. Click OK. Click Agree, then click OK. Now, I selected on Network Installation option, then click OK. Then wait, it will searching the IP address in your local network. Click OK. Just wait, the installation will be finished. Click OK. Go to Start button, then click Setting. Click Device. Click Printers and Scanners. Click printer that just installed. Click Manage. Click Printer Properties. Click Preferences. In document size, change it to A4 size, then click OK. Click Print Test to Test Printer to make sure that you install driver property. Thank you for watching. So if you don't mind, if you enjoyed this video, please would you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please would you click on the bell to get notifications when I post a new video.